Okay, good morning. Welcome to Math Project. What number?
96.
Math Project 96. Okay, so yesterday in Math Project 95, we did subtracting in binary with Duplo blocks. Today we're going to do subtracting in binary with actual numbers.
So, what are we going to do for the...
For the blue block?
Yeah.
The blue block is going to be a -1. So let me do an example. We have to do, I'll stand over here. Let's do 1, 0, 1, 1 minus, how about 1, 0, 1? Okay. So this becomes 1 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Right?
Yeah.
But we're not allowed to have -1s. That was the blue block. So do you remember what we did instead to deal with the -1?
Well, we took this and changed it into a 2.
We took this and changed it into 2 here. So we got a 0, and then 2 minus 1 is?
Is 1.
2 minus 1 is 1, and then we don't have to deal with this at all. So we get 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0. Okay? So let's see if that makes sense. What is 1, 0, 1, 1? Find it up there.
11.
Okay, so this is 11.
And
1, 0, 1 is?
5.
5. And what's 11
6.
minus 5? 6. Is that what 1, 1, 0 is?
It's a 0, 1, 1.
Well, right. So the zeros in the front don't matter, right? Okay. Would you like to see me do one more example?
One more.
Okay, and then I'll have you do a couple. Oh shoot, where is the eraser? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I got it. The eraser likes to hide. Actually, can you hold the eraser for me? That way it won't hide. Okay, stand up.
Can?
Alright, so let's do 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, this will be a tricky one. Okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Well, you have to take this.
Okay, so we always start at the left when we're subtracting, right? So we got to take this and turn it into a 2.
Right there.
Okay, so first thing is I have 0, then 2 minus 1 is?
Is 1.
1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. Okay?
Well, then we have to take this, change it into a 2 here, and then there.
Okay, so next we take this and turn it into a 2. So it's 0, 0, 2 minus 1 minus 1.
Which definitely doesn't work.
Which definitely doesn't work. So
Now we have to take this 2 and put it on the -1.
okay, no. We only take 1 from this 2. So this becomes 0, 0. We take 1 away, change it into a 2 there.
So we get 1.
2 minus 1 is 1, and then minus 1.
Then we have to take this, change it into a 2. Here.
Okay, so what do we take this and change it into a?
A 2.
What does it become here?
A 0.
So we go 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? So
1, 0, 1.
hopefully we should get that 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 is 1, 0, 1. So let's see. I hope we did it right. What's 1, 0, 1, 0, 0? Can you find that in the cheat sheet?
1,
1, 0, 1, 0, 0.
1, I found 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1, but that's not it.
No, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0.
1, 0, this one, 20.
20.
And then that's 15.
That's 15.
And
So
then
what should
5.
this be?
5.
So 20 minus 15 should be 5. And is 1, 0, 1 5?
Yep.
Yep, it sure is. Okay. You ready to do some on your own?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, maybe I should have you write. So,
I got a marker.
okay, let's start with a fairly straightforward one. How about, I gotta stay out of the way of the camera here. How about 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1? Okay, do you need to scoot the chair forward or can you reach?
Scoot it forward.
Okay, go ahead.
So now 1 minus 0 is 1 and minus 1 and 0.
Okay.
So we can't have minus 1s. So we take this 1, change it into a 2. But you have 0 1, 0. But the leading zeros don't matter.
Okay. So let's see if we got this right. 101 is what number?
5.
5. 11 is
3.
And so what should 5 minus 3 be?
5 minus 3 should be 2, and 1, 0 is 2.
Okay, very good. Now you ready for a harder one?
Yeah.
Okay. How about 1010 minus 111?
So 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1. So I have to change this, change it into a 2 here. So you get 0, 1, 0 minus 1.
Okay, now hold on. I'm going to back you up for just a second, so you're not blocking the camera. Okay, go ahead.
And then we have to have, and then we take this, change it into a 2 here.
Okay, so write that down.
0, 0, 2 minus 1. Now this definitely doesn't work.
Okay.
So we take 1 of this 2 and change it into a 2 over there. So which is 0, 0, 1, 1.
Okay.
So 1, 1 is 2, is 3.
All right, so let's see. What is 1010?
Is 10,
Okay, what's 111?
is 7.
Okay, and what's
2
10 minus 7?
is 3.
Okay, and is what is 11?
3.
Okay, so great. All right, one last example, do you think?
One less super tricky one?
You want me to make it super tricky?
Yeah.
All right. You got it. Super tricky.
Is it going to be a 3-digit at the track?
5 digits. 11000 minus, I don't know, 1010. Whoa! 5 digits minus 4 digits. Jeez Louise. This might be the hardest subtraction problem anyone's ever done.
So this is 1, 0, 0 minus 1, and 0.
Okay, make sure you write your zeros.
That looks like a 6. We can't have 6.
0 minus 0 is definitely just 0, which is what you said. Okay, so this becomes 100 minus 10.
But we can't have that.
We can't have that.
So we take this one, change it into a 2 there. So 0, 2, 0, minus 1, and 0.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna back you up. Actually, just take a half a step back. There you go. Good.
And now we take this 2, change, and this 2, we take 1 of that 2 and change it into a 1. So 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 0.
Good.
We take the 2. We take 1 of the 2. It becomes 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0.
Whoa!
1, 1, 1, 1, 0, basically.
Okay. So
What is that?
let's see if you can find this. 11000. Can you find that in our binary cheat sheet?
24.
24. And what is 1010?
10.
So 24 minus 10 should be what?
14. And 14 is 1, 1, and 0.
14 is 1110. Hey!
And that is that's 7 times 2, and it added a 0 from 7.
It added a 0 from 7. How about that? Okay, well, what'd you think about that?
Awesome!
Okay. So did you have fun this week learning about binary?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know what?
Yeah.
You can do, what am I trying to say? Other bases. So we can do, instead of base 2, we can do base 3, and we can do a lot of the same stuff. And we can do base 10. Do you want to learn how to count in base 10?
That's easy.
Right, you already know how to do it. Okay, so great. So next week we're going to do, what did we decide?
Fibonacci.
Fibonacci numbers and Pascal's triangle.
Cool.
So next week should be really fun too.
Awesome.
All right, good job this week, honey. Good job.